Europe is challenging Chinese electric vehicles. The International Paris Motor Show 2024 has opened in France. The Paris Motor Show traditionally takes place every 2 years, alternating with the Frankfurt Motor Show. This year, the context of the show is particularly significant, as Europe is anticipating a global influx of Chinese electric vehicles. Some have already begun to enter European markets, while many more are expected to do so in the coming years. In response, increased tariffs on electric vehicles from China have already been imposed. At the same time, there are growing questions for European manufacturers about what they are ready to offer in response to Chinese cars. The Paris exhibition has inadvertently become a showcase of European automotive potential, in contrast to the Chinese innovations, which have also been presented. At the Paris Motor Show, the difference between European and Chinese electric vehicles is particularly clear. In this video, we will show you the best European models and explore whether they can compete with the Chinese, so enjoy watching. The little-known company Alpine, which is part of the Renault group, has unveiled its promising electric vehicle concept called the Alpine A390. This concept showcases Alpine's intention to combine the dynamics and power of Formula One with the practicality of a family car. Inspired by the shape of a water droplet, the A390 features smooth and dynamic lines. It is equipped with striking lighting elements and a sloped fastback-style roof. While the exact battery specifications and range have yet to be announced, the A390 will compete with the electric Porsche Macan 4, which accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 5 seconds and offers a range of more than 600 kilometers. The production version of the Alpine A390 is expected by 2025. The Peugeot Inception concept was presented at the exhibition, showcasing a bold vision for the future of electric vehicles from Peugeot and Stellantis. Unfortunately, it is not intended for mass production yet, but the concept provides a glimpse into the technologies and design elements that will appear in future models of the brand. The car is built on the STLA large platform and equipped with a battery providing a range of up to 800 kilometers on a single charge. 2 electric motors with a combined power of 680 horsepower enable the vehicle to accelerate to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 3 seconds. The concept features a Level 4 autonomous driving system, allowing the car to drive itself without driver input under certain conditions. Although this vehicle won't be available for sale, many of its technologies and design features will be used in future electric models from Peugeot. Citroen unveiled the C5 Aircross concept crossover at the 2024 Paris Motor Show. This vehicle showcases the brand's new approach to design and aerodynamics. One of its key features is the Citroen light wing taillight design, where 2 light signature elements are separated from the body, creating a fin effect to optimize airflow. The design of the C5 Aircross focuses on minimizing air resistance. It's a spacious crossover designed for families, emphasizing comfort and practicality, while featuring a modern muscular exterior that sets it apart from other models in its segment. Alfa Romeo brought its exclusive supercar named 33 Stradale to the exhibition. The number 33 in the name represents the limited production of just 33 units of this sports car. This vehicle is a tribute to the iconic 1967 model and is available in 2 versions, a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 with 620 horsepower and an electric version with 750 horsepower. Both versions accelerate to 100 kilometers per hour in 3 seconds, with a top speed of 333 kilometers per hour. The design blends classic elements with modern technology, highlighting Alfa Romeo's rich sports car heritage. This year, Alpine became a true star of the exhibition. In addition to the previously shown concept, the company unveiled another equally intriguing model named Alpenglow HY6 concept. This bold and innovative concept car represents the future of high-performance vehicles with hydrogen engines. The Alpenglow HY6 stands out with its advanced aerodynamic solutions and extreme design, including a transparent rear wing and distinctive air intakes. Thanks to the use of carbon fiber and other lightweight materials, the car demonstrates impressive speed and handling. The top speed of the supercar is 330 kilometers per hour. This vehicle was developed not only as a concept for motorsport, but also to showcase the potential of hydrogen engines for the future of eco-friendly transportation. The Japanese also decided to attend the exhibition in Paris, unveiling their latest fully electric vehicle named THK L SR05. This vehicle is a four-seater coupe crossover, developed in collaboration with SN Design Platform under the leadership of designer Shiro Nakamura. The car was created to showcase THK's technologies in the automotive industry, including innovative solutions for electric motors, suspension, and steering systems. It symbolizes the company's innovations and their vision for the future of mobility. The German company BMW brought the BMW Vision Neue Klasse concept to the exhibition, a vehicle that marks a new phase in the brand's development in the field of electric vehicles. The car's exterior is distinguished by its futuristic design, a monolithic body, large windows, and signature design elements such as the shark nose and an integrated grille with headlights. Inside, the Vision Neue Klasse almost completely eliminates analog controls, replacing them with digital panels and voice control. The electric motors are equipped with new round batteries that offer 20% more energy density compared to previous generations, increasing the range and charging speed by 30%. At the Paris exhibition, the French automotive company Renault unveiled a unique concept of the electric SUV for e-tech called Flower Power. This concept features an aesthetic package with a satin green color and an increased ground clearance of 15 millimeters. The Flower Power concept has all the characteristics typical of modern Renault electric vehicles, such as high energy efficiency and enhanced control functions. Technically, the concept uses similar technologies as other Renault models on the Ampere platform, offering battery options of 40 or 52 kilowatt-hours, providing a range of 300 to 400 kilometers, and the capability for fast charging up to 100 kilowatts. The electric motor's power varies from 88 to 110 kilowatts, depending on the battery configuration. The Germans brought the new 2025 Audi Q6 Sportback e-tron to the Paris Motor Show 2024. A stylish electric crossover with a coupe-like roofline. Equipped with a 100 kilowatt-hours battery, it offers a range of up to 656 kilometers and supports fast charging at 270 kilowatts, allowing the battery to charge from 10 to 80% in just 21 minutes. Inside, the vehicle features multiple screens and premium materials, including recycled fabrics. The trunk volume is 511 liters with the seats up, and up to 1,373 liters with the seats folded down. The interior includes 3 screens, a 14.5-inch central display, a 12-inch driver's display, and an 11-inch screen for the passenger. Customers can choose between rear-wheel drive versions or all-wheel drive models with the Quattro system. The Americans also decided to attend the exhibition in Paris. Cadillac introduced its new 2025 Cadillac Lyriq AWD, which impressed with its combination of luxury and electric power. In the all-wheel drive version, the vehicle is equipped with 2 electric motors that deliver a total power of over 500 horsepower and a significant range of around 500 kilometers. The Lyriq AWD offers high performance with fast charging capability, as well as a modern interior featuring premium materials and an extensive array of digital technologies, including a massive 33-inch display and an AKG audio system. This vehicle is equipped with the Super Cruise system, which provides safe and comfortable driving on highways. At the Paris Motor Show 2024, Cadillac introduced a special version of its electric vehicle, the 2025 Cadillac Optiq Arctic Edition. Unlike the standard model, the Arctic Edition features an increased ground clearance, enhanced body protection, and a special white and blue color scheme that emphasizes its intended use in harsh weather conditions. The model is built on the BEV3 platform and is equipped with all-wheel drive powered by 2 electric motors, delivering a total of 300 horsepower and providing a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge. The Optiq also features Super Cruise technology, which allows for partial autonomous driving, as well as an impressive 33-inch display with 9K resolution support and an AKG audio system with Dolby Atmos.